Hello, my dear students. Today I'm going to discuss one class for you. That is for class 6, video number 1. Today I'm going to discuss integers, and it will be the introduction class of integers. Here I will com complete 4 important points. These are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are very much important facts about the integers. Students often face problem about this. So I'm here, Abu Jafar, instructor and author of books, and then my aim is to making math simple, easy, and accessible for all the students and the concerned people. So now see the objective of the class. If you are attentive in my class, then you will be benefited like what we learned today. That understand what integers are. I will discuss the integers in very simple way. Then I will show how to add and subtract the integers. Then I will discuss and show how to multiply and divide the integers and like this. So 4 important things I'm going to complete, and there are integers and different types, positive and negative. So sometimes you feel that the temperature goes below 0, how it happens. Now see the integers. The first question, what are integers? Now see, you can see the question's left side. The question here, and the answer is integers are the whole numbers that can be positive, negative, or 0. So including 0, negative, and all positive numbers are called integers. Integers are the whole number, so there will be no decimal or fractional part. So the examples are like you see, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are called integers. So there's no other numbers, only the negative, positive, and the 0. Now, in number line, if you want to see the integers, I have given here red marks with the negative numbers, and here's the blue marks with the positive numbers, and the middle neutral number 0. All these are integers. Let's come to the action about the addition rules of integers. So addition rules, there are 4 types of rules. I have given here the rules, and right, I have given the examples. So first you see, if you add 2 positive numbers, the result will be positive, like 5 and 7. Both the positive numbers result 12. 5 plus 7, 12. Now, if you add 2 negative numbers, like negative with negative, the result will be negative also. Like you see here, -5, -7, the result will be -12. So 2 negative numbers, the result is negative. Now see, positive and negative. If you add together, what will happen? The larger sign will come with absolute value. Like here, 5 is positive, 7 is negative. So absolute value 2, the sign is negative because the negative numbers is larger. Similarly, you see, here the positive number 10, negative number 6 is lower. So the value 4, it is positive because the larger number is positive. So try to understand. The next one, another example similar to this one. So if you add negative and positive numbers, the larger sign you have to carry. Like here, -5 plus 7. So 2 is greater positive, so it will be positive. Similarly, -9 negative, 6 positive. So the greater value 9, the sign will be negative. So these are the addition rules. Let's go to the multiplication rules of integers. Very much important things here you see. Multiplication, there are 4 type of rules. I have given here the rules, and I have put the examples also. Like here, if you multiply 2 positive numbers, the result will be positive. Like 6 is positive, 3 is positive, the result is 18. Then the negative number, if you multiply by negative, the result will be also positive. Like here, -6, if you multiply with -3, the result will be 18. It is positive. So check it properly. Then if you multiply positive and negative numbers, the result will be negative. So here 6, if you multiply by -3, the result is -18. Similarly, negative with positive, opposite sign if you multiply, the result will be negative. Like here -6 and 3, the result is 18, -18. So these are the 4 rules of multiplication. Let's go to the division rules of integers. Here the division rules, there are 4 types of rules. First, if you divide positive and by the positive number, the result will be positive. Like here you see, 6 is positive, 3 is positive. If you divide, 2 is positive. Like if you divide negative by the negative number, the result will be positive. Like here you see, -6, if you divide by -3, the result will be positive 2. Now here, if you divide opposite sign numbers like positive by negative, the result will be negative. And if you like here, you see 6 positive. If you divide by -3, the result is -3. Then if you divide negative number by positive number, the result will be negative. -6, if you divide by 3, the result is -2. So these for all the division rules of integers. Next, let's see the subtraction rules of integer. Here, 8 type of problems can arise. So just see it, observe this properly, you can understand. First, you see 6 minus 4. This 4 is positive 4. So if you remove the bracket, this minus will make it negative. So 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Like minus multiply plus, it has become minus. Like next example, you see 6 minus minus 4. So this minus and this minus will be multiplied together and will be plus. Minus minus multiply plus. So 6 plus 4, this is 12, 10. Next example, you see minus 6 minus 4. So this 4 will be negative 4 if you remove the bracket. So for subtraction rules, you will try to remove the bracket, then it will be easier for you to understand. Minus 6 minus 4 together it will be minus 10. Next example, so minus 6 minus minus 4. So here you see minus 6 and this minus and minus if you multiply it will be plus 4. So minus 6 plus 4 it will be minus 2 because you see greater number is negative. Right side you see there are also for examples like 4 minus 6. So what will happen? Minus, if you multiply this plus 6 it will be minus 6. So 4 minus 6 will be minus 2. So here the next example 4 minus minus 6. So if you multiply minus and minus it will be plus. So 4 minus 4 plus 6 it will be 10. Next example minus 4 minus 6. So this 6 will be negative 6 if you remove the bracket because minus multiply plus minus. So minus 4 and minus 6 together it will be minus 10. Last one you see minus 4 minus minus 6. So if you remove the bracket, this minus and minus will be plus if you multiply because bracket is multiplication sign. So minus 4 plus 6 equal to 2. So my dear students, all this is 8 type of subtraction rules I have showed here. So now the feedback time, I'm going to give you a few questions, few problems that you can try yourself. That so far in the class, I have discussed all the things, all the possible ways. I think if you are attentive, you can answer all these questions here. So in our questions, 10 plus 5, what is the answer? Then B number, C number, D number. And there are 4 questions right side. I have given you a challenge like can you solve this? And there I have given a score. So there are 8 questions, suppose 8 marks. You have to check how many you can answer. Please pause the video for 2 minutes and you can answer all this in your exercise copy and check this. I'm going to give you the answer right now. So see the answers of the feedback questions. There are 8 questions. There are 8 answers I've given. So you can check and put the marks, how much you have obtained. So this is the class for today. Now see my dear students, thank you. If you enjoy this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Subscribe for more lessons will come in future, inshallah. For more practice problems and details explanation, check out my book. I have got a book for you. If you want to go and deep to practice more, you can check it. And then thank you for watching. Keep practicing and stay confident in math. We'll wish you all the best. Thank you so much.